Got to get to the snow.
Yes, we do.
Huge story, AccuWeather Alert Day, because we have several inches of snow coming across the board. Everyone's seeing something today. 39 degrees right now, mostly cloudy, so we are still quiet with temperatures in the 30s for the most part, but looking well north and west. Teens for Liberty and mild out in Montauk at 43. We're at 35 in Belmar. This is the main message. Winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories in effect for the entire tri-state area. And what this means is everyone is seeing something today in terms of snow, but the warning here, the pink counties, that's where we'll see significant snowfall. We're talking 4 to 8 inches, and that will make things especially treacherous tonight. In fact, 15 states from North Carolina up through Maine under some sort of winter weather advisory or warning. Snow already starting to fall and starting to slide into parts of our area, although air at the surface is dry, so not sure if this is quite reaching the ground yet. But guess what? It will. Timing it out. Increasing clouds through midday as the snow starts to arrive. After about noon, 1 o'clock is when the snow will begin to fall for a lot of the area, and it's widespread by late afternoon, early evening. Want to deposit at 6 o'clock. Snow right from the onset north and west of New York City. Out east, down the Jersey Shore, starting as rain. Temperatures are above the freezing mark. The metro area, I wanted to point out the park at 33, so that's going to paint the right picture. It might be more of a rain-snow mix to start, which means the total is not quite as significant as what we're seeing north and west. But moving into late tonight, after the sun sets and the cold air starts to filter in, it's snow across the board. So it's going to give an opportunity for everyone to accumulate some sort of snowfall, but the numbers are different just depending on how long you spent sub-freezing. We continue with the snow into tonight. This is when it really starts to get slick. We'll taper off snow chances as we move toward midnight, and then the coldest air so far this season sets in with blustery wind picking up overnight. It means everything that falls freezes over and sticks around. Tomorrow is going to be slick out there. 4 to 8 inches of expected snowfall for the lower Hudson Valley, North Jersey, Fairfield County, and the North Shore of Long Island there in Suffolk County. Down the shore, out east, 1 to 2. Those are the spots starting as rain. But I want to talk about this midsection here, including a lot of the metro area where we expect 2 to 4. But there is the potential, especially for spots like the Bronx, Manhattan, over here through Union and Essex, where we're right on the line. We could favor the higher end of the snowfall totals, just given the fact that we're in that snow rather than rain snow for a little longer. So I want to kind of hedge a little bit. In the city, the potential for 3, 4, 5 inches is there, even though technically on the map we're in that 2 to 4 inch range because we are on the line, which could start with a rain snow mix. So the bottom line here, the timing. Noon to midnight, steadiest, heaviest, and most widespread expected this evening. We talked about the totals. Those 4 to 8 inch totals north and west of the city could create some blowing snow as the blustery wind picks up tonight as well. And the impact, we're really looking at the potential for very slick streets and sidewalks. That makes treacherous travel through tonight as the dangerous cold sets in behind this round of snow, which means if you have anything you got to get done today, you can't put it off. The earlier the better, because as we head into tonight and the steady snow really starts to pile up, things get dangerous. But for now, still quiet before the snow sets in. Temperatures today topping out in the 30s. Tonight, that frigid air filters in as the blustery wind picks up. Our lows are so cold, and our highs tomorrow, 20s. Gets even worse Tuesday and Wednesday. It's why we've reissued AccuWeather alerts just for the bitter and biting cold as our highs fall to the teens. Today, the big story, of course, the snow.